Hello everyone, my name is Roy. Today we are going to start a new course, Programming in Python. In this course, I am going to teach you everything you need to know to start programming in Python. Python is one of the most popular programming languages out there. More and more developers every day are moving their projects over to Python because it is such a powerful and such as easy to use language. Then, what are the real-world applications of Python programming? They are web development, scientific and numeric applications, artificial intelligence, machine learning, game development, desktop GUIs, software development, etc. So, if you are looking for a job related to programming, Python is for you. We will talk about all the core concepts in Python, and then we are going to build several real-time projects together in a fun way. Then, you are also going to learn how to use Python in machine learning or in artificial intelligence. You will write Python programs that will process thousands of spreadsheets in under a second. As you all know, almost the majorities of the companies are working on artificial intelligence. And deep learning, that is the main part of artificial intelligence. When it comes to deep learning, Python is more versatile than any other programming languages. This Python course is for anyone who wants to learn Python. If you are a beginner, don't worry. Python is super easy to learn. Before I conclude this session, I have some questions for you. First question is, which one to choose for data science, Python or R programming? You may have heard about R programming, right? If not, R is also a programming language used for statistical analysis and computing. Okay, anyway I would suggest using both if you have the choice. Everything has their own pros and cons. Start with one and then add the other to your workflow. It adds another skill set into your resume, which comes as an added bonus to your career. Then, who is the creator of Python programming? And why the name Python for this wonderful programming language? I know these are simple questions and you may Google it and you can find the answers. I have a suggestion for the viewers. When you select a programming course, the tutors can teach you the basic concepts and methods. But if you really want to develop your programming logic skills, you need to practice it every day. That will be the real joy of computing. So I hope you will stick around and learn this beautiful and powerful programming language. I will post 2 to 3 sessions in every week and keep learning. Thank you.